Hello friends. Today I want to offer a recipe from the south of France. This will be a poisson provençal recipe, a very popular dish prepared in the south of France. The French are preparing sea fish. I will use river fish. Today I have a beautiful, big catfish. Look at this. The lunch will be wonderful. First, the fish must be washed thoroughly, then the insides must be gutted. I will not show it. You already know how to do it yourself. For the poisson provençal recipe, you need to take onions, tomatoes, a little olive oil, cream, spices. Spices are salt, black pepper, and whatever else you like. First you need to prepare the fish fillet. For the recipe, I took 300 grams of fish. The next step is to prepare the vegetables. Add the tomato and olive oil marinade to the fish fillet. Let the fish rest in the marinade. Prepare the baking sauce, fry the onion in oil, add cream. The French also add white wine, but I won't add it this time. I want to enjoy the delicate taste of fish. If you like the taste and smell of wine, you can add about 100 milliliters of white wine. I love fish, I love to cook it. It is a quality, lightweight product that contains healthy proteins and fats. The sauce should be added to the fish after the marinade, before baking. Cover the fish fillet dish with protective foil and bake in the oven for 15 minutes at 180 degrees Celsius, 355 degrees Fahrenheit. Serve poisson provençal to the table warm, garnished with green leaves. Bon appétit! Like this video, subscribe to my channel, there will be a lot of interesting things.